Hello and welcome back to a new week in the Lego Shed Northern Quarters. It is Saturday the 19th of July and today marks the first big build of the series. The minifigure vending machine, which is set to 21358. And yeah, let's get to the knoll. And now the Polter Pearson. So today's film is going to be a little bit later. It's because it's been on and off raining all day. I think it's still raining a little bit now. So if it starts back up, hopefully the sound of the rain will be nice, but that's why it's a bit late. So we'll take a little flick through the instruction booklet. Ooh, skip the page. Meet the designer. Oh, there he is. That is a cool name. I am not even going to attempt to pronounce it though. Oh, the minifigure is of him. That's nice. You can collect all 16 minifigures. Based on real vending machines. Oh, that's a little bit spoilery for my taking. Oh, that's neat. That's neat. Right. So let's get started, shall we? There's 11 bags to this one, and two mysterious bags. So it might be a couple of weeks this build, which is good. So let's find all the pieces to go into here. Oh, I've been doing that off camera. There's another incident. So we've got one of those. Where are we? One of those. What I'll do is I will build up the minifig. He carries a coin. And so that's the Lego designer in Lego form. that way. And there's a little minifigure vending machine. So you have to take him all apart. He's got 2 faces, by the way, which I think's really nice. But for now, we're loading him up. Put his hand down. There we have the first capsule. I can go over there. And now, let's get on to club business. And today, we're going to start with the Discord. As we started, I believe we started with the evil YouTubes. Last time. Let's just get tethered in. Right. First up, we've got Claire 1608. Claire 1608, yeah. If I can get my teeth in. She says, "Oh no, I'm behind already. I'll catch up later." Well, there's plenty of time and these builds aren't going anywhere. Try and get... yeah. There we go. And I'm guessing these go here. Next up, Mr. Claw. Jordan's thumbnail game on point, and he's referring to my thumbnail here. Hopefully my thumbnail game will be alright for this one. The keyboard looks like nanoblocks, also known as one of the most unstable elements in the periodic table. Yeah. No. It's a nice little display piece, I will say that, but it was a pain to put together. May I say, Jordan, you have a lovely voice for accompanying a build. Why, thank you. I don't think I have a lovely voice. But yeah, thank you. This. Page. Okay. This is where things get a little bit bigger. I might have to zoom out for this. Roger Maybank. He says, "I'll be skipping past this particular film as I also have the friendly snail set and don't want any spoilers. I decided to press on and build the friendly snail set, so now I can watch your film. What a fun little build." And there's Roger's friendly little snails. And it is a fun build, I will say that. Do some more building before just moving on to the Ubtubes. There we go. That don't make much sense. Ah, that's because that one is in the wrong place. It's one over. There we go. That's what it is. Right, we're on to the Google Eyes. And first up is Little Sue. Little Sue's here, yay! And she says, thank you for choosing the haunted house music. I had to. For an intro. I had to. It's iconic, really. You can't really get away from it. And it's one of the better rides at Legoland. That's my controversial opinion. Yeah. Where are we? There it is, right under my eye. Sorry about that. If you just see like a jump in the film, I had to take a phone call. But next up, right, is Eric Oswald, and he says, from far away, the mini piano looked like it was some kind of sound effects machine. Yeah, I don't have a sound effects machine yet. I mean, I've got a boing, but it's not really a boing. You can't really... No. Yeah, it's not really a boing. I had to turn on the captions because I was not hearing some of what you were saying over my air conditioner. And I love that when you said apple wax, the closed captions read apple wax. Yeah. I don't control YouTube captions. They're crazy at times. Some of the simplest things can be read out in hilarious ways. And that's it for Club Business. Thank you for everybody who tuned in last week. I really appreciate it. Ooh, we've got some lovely tiling coming up. So how many do we need? 2, 1. Oh, wasn't really looking what I was doing then. So we got 2, 1, 1. Ooh, smaller one. Yeah, we've got everything. So, right, this goes here, and I'm tethered in. It's always the triangles that get me. always. Maybe I do not know the physics of a triangle. There we go. It's another 2 of these. Oh, oh, there we go. I'm just moving the business tablet away. It seems the rain has stopped now, which I'm thankful for because I'm not going to get soaked going out. I am quite worried in this build. Is that touching? Yeah. Because there is some Technic mechanisms. And my track record is not great with Technics. Right, there we go, 1 of those, 2 of those, 1 of those, and that one. I may have to zoom out now, I'm not sure. That goes there, that goes there, and then we can tether this here. Can wait, come on, there we go, that goes there. Wonder what that's for. Probably never know. 4 of these, 2 of those, and 2 of those. So where are we? Apologies again for the little jump cut there. My allergies have decided to play up. So I just had to run in, get a drink, have a hay fever pill, and some tissue. I'm building this off camera because this is a separate piece. Don't build things off camera. I don't know if Emma's done this one. I don't think she has. But I thought this one might be really up her street because of all the minifigs. Oh. missed a step? No? No. I don't like that. I don't know. I don't know if I've missed something. No. I haven't missed anything, but I don't like that. It's not tethered in properly. And it's supposed to be level with those. It'll all work out, I'm sure. There we go, and that's that one. Comes over here. Oh, does it come over here? Yeah, that's over there. There we go. Just making sure it's firmly down. I think that's correct. So where are we? Where are we? Let's do this fun little bit here. Remind, please. Oh. I have been working on my Star Beast adaptation over this past week, which is my next Doctor Who animation. It's going well, but I have maybe bitten off more than I can chew, because it's a heavy, well, a lot happens in about 21 pages, and a lot happens within like 3 different panels of the comic, so it's just like, how do I condense this into a good enough script? Into a good enough script, which is what we're doing, but it's getting there. It's getting there. I've added some subplots and things, but it's going to have to wait till next time, because that is bag 1. I had to cut out a jump cut because my mum came to the window to say goodbye because she's off out. Threw me off. So this is bag 1. Very much the base. Not quite the guts. The guts. But we've got our first minifigure capsule, which is very interesting. You come over here and you use the doodah to open them. I'm sure you could use your fingernail, but it'd break. But I enjoyed this. Very enjoyable building thing. Love to know what this is for. Guess we're going to find out. I'm guessing that rolls out like that. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully it's not raining. So I'll see you tomorrow. Apple wax forever.